everybody, this is Old Song. I want you all to join in.
I've got to be honest, Nikolai. I'm not sure if I want to join in.
I'll sing for my supper, I'll drink to another, I'll tell all ye folks a tall tale.
A tall tale?
Well, it's all based on fact, though I should say the act of telling gets taller each day.
Literally.
Now you all know tune. It's time for someone else to sing. Ladies and gentlemen, Frank Dempsey.
My Aunt Jemima thought nothing was finer than lazing around every day. But my Aunt Jemima lost it all in a fire, including herself, by the way.
I thought that whole Jemima line was going somewhere else entirely.
Takeo Masaki.
Yeah, Tak, give us something about the Emperor. Or honor.
Honor is one thing, but I'm feeling nothing but lack of opportunity. Our leaders are watching, but I'm not so eager to let them still watch over me.
Nicely done, Takeo. What about you, Rikoffin?
Yeah.
Do you have any soul?
No.
I did. A long time ago. But it hurts just to think about it.
I started this song, but please don't get me wrong. No one sings unless they want to sing. We're all telling tales and we're all singing songs, drinking our drinks from midnight till dawn.
I was trying to say something there.
Sorry, Richtofen, we're not messing with you. We want to hear your dulcet tones. Ain't that right?
Yes!
Really? Really? This isn't the song that I wanted to sing. But nobody gets what they want. I was the nicest one, but you won't even remember me.
And if you start to doubt, you should know that without hindsight, we'd all be blind every day. You swallowed the tail of the whale. You were bit by the bite of the shark.